Hello everyone, today I am going to show the process of composting using DostBin Premium. Along with the product, you get these accessories to start your composting journey. This is the remix powder, cocoa peat brick and charcoal. Composting, you have to unpack this packet and put this charcoal in this compartment. This you should unwrap, put in this compartment. Fill water up to half of the compartment. It will take 30-40 minutes and expand to a powder. Then your machine is ready to use. The remix powder given to you shall be emptied fully in the hopper. The full packet need to be emptied in the hopper, and then you can start adding your kitchen waste. Here you should take handful of cocoa peat powder from here and add it to the hopper. Once you have put the waste, you can close and press the shred button here. The shred operation will be shredding the waste. Here the blades will be moving in the two directions to have efficient shredding happening. You can keep on adding your daily kitchen waste once, twice or how many ever times in a day continuously in the hopper, which will be shredded and going in here. In 1 week time or 10 days time, the first stage gets filled, which you can see in the observation window also. Further, you have to shift the content to the second compartment by pulling and pushing this slider. You can see it has the holes here to provide a good amount of aeration for the pile. So after the stage 1 of the composting, stage 2 happens in the second compartment, which is facilitated with a rotor mixer and a blower blade behind. Every 24 hours, you can press this digest button, which will be aerating the pile inside this as well as blowing the air from behind. This helps in efficient and faster composting. After another week or 10 days, in the second compartment, it is ready for harvesting. For harvesting, you need to pull and push this slider, which will make your compost get collected in this drawer. So the kitchen waste is 70% water. So at the time of composting, your 10 kg input gets converted to approximately 3 kg of compost, and majority of it comes out as the high nutrient liquid leachate fertilizer. You can collect it in any disposable bottle, or if you don't want, you can connect this end to a drainage and it will go away.